Hey guys, I'm here at New Age Powder Coating and Wraps in Washington Township, New Jersey. We are here to get a wrap today. I thought it might be kind of cool to see how the wrap kind of takes shape. I have given these guys a little bit of direction on what I'm looking for, but I thought it would be fun to kind of share with you the work in progress and see how it's coming along. So when we have the reveal on October 20th, you guys will see kind of what I went through to have it done. So let's go. So we're heading over to get the partial wrap put on right now, and I just want to take a moment to talk about this because I think there's some people out there that are going to think this is a bit much for especially a small channel like myself to be putting a branded wrap on their car. But the way I look at it is go big or go home. First off, I don't really think that there's anything wrong with trying to promote a brand. I've spent a lot of years in marketing myself, and one thing I learned is whether it's good publicity or bad publicity, it's still publicity, and people still catch a buzz over it. So if I could get, whether there's going to be I'll call it lovers or haters, people that are going to like this, or people that are going to find it offensive, or you know, God, you're still a small channel. Why would you do this to your car? Or it's gaudy, or it's, you know, it's just too much. I'm kind of looking at it like, hey, first off, I've never done a wrap before, so this is kind of fun for me. And secondly, it's something that I want to do to promote this channel. So when I am driving around, people are gonna see the car, hopefully check out the channel, and go from there. So that's it. I mean, I could take this off in a month, a few months if I don't like it. If I think it's too much, if I'm getting too much heat over it, so to speak, I don't really care. First off, what people think, but secondly, I'm trying something. And I'm also having fun going through the wrap process. So maybe we learn something through this process as well. So I just wanted to say that. I want to know what you think. What do you guys think of the rendition of the One Fast Street Car partial wrap? I mean, do you like it? Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's maybe not enough? I mean, I kind of wanted my car to remain intact somewhat. So I was kind of afraid to do too much because I still wanted my car to kind of be here. And I think that we've achieved that, and Brad's achieved that through the graphics that he put together for us. But I don't know. I mean, I want to know from you. What do you guys think? Is it too much? Maybe it's not enough. So comment below and let me know what you think. Hey guys, I wish you could see exactly what I'm seeing on this wrap here, because this has a really cool sparkle shine to it. So very, very cool. This is one cool wrap right here. All the different powder coating colors that you can choose from. Different types of wraps with sparkles in it, brushed aluminum. I mean, just about everything you could think of. It's amazing when you just see how many different like silvers and gray colors of powder coating there is. And then when you talk about wraps, some of these real cool, like carbon fiber textures. It's so cool.
The only thing that's different is right here, but I don't think that'd be a big deal. We just wouldn't have drop shadow, you know?
Yeah, I don't think you want a drop shadow on that, like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm kind of torn. So guys, I think this is kind of what we're settling on, is something like this. We're gonna put some new graphics in here on the top, you know, kind of coming down on the hood there with the One Fast logo, just like that on an angle. What do you say? This is Brad.
What's up, guys?
He's guys doing all the magic here for the wrap. So no, I really like it. I think this is subtle but cool.
Looks like going 100 mile an hour standing still.
Yeah, man. Here it is. Getting ready to put this down. It's a matte black finish. It looks awesome. Can't wait to see this down. This is the windshield right there. And we're still working on getting the actual quarter panels and the hood done now. So I don't think we're gonna get a chance to see that until the final product is done. So